Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Top 5 Best Pressure Washer in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of each model, providing you with the information you need to make an informed purchase. But stick around till the end because we have a surprise comparison that could potentially change your top pick. So whether you're a professional cleaner or a homeowner looking for a reliable tool, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive in. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Generac 2900 Pressure Washer, a tool that promises to revolutionize your cleaning tasks with its efficiency and power. So, without further ado, let's get started. First off, the Generac 2900 makes a bold claim. It can clean up to 50% faster than other pressure washers. That's a significant time saver, especially for those big cleaning projects. In our tests, we found this claim to be true. The Generac 2900 made quick work of even the most stubborn dirt and grime, cutting our cleaning time in half. Moving on to the attachments, the turbo nozzle and soap blaster are game changers. The turbo nozzle removes dirt and grime 30% faster than standard nozzles, making it perfect for tackling those really tough spots. The soap blaster, on the other hand, sprays soap 3x farther than other models, ensuring a thorough and even clean. At the heart of this pressure washer is the Generac 196 OHV engine. This engine is designed for maximum cleaning performance, and it certainly delivers. Whether you're cleaning your driveway, your deck, or your car, this engine powers through the grind with ease. The Generac 2900 also includes a 25 feet high-pressure flex hose. This hose is kink-resistant and non-marring, meaning it's easy to maneuver and won't damage your surfaces. The pressure washer also comes with 4 quick-change nozzle tips: 0 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap. These tips offer a range of spray patterns and intensities, adding versatility to your cleaning. In conclusion, the Generac 2900 pressure washer is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a time saver, a powerhouse, and a versatile companion for all your cleaning needs. It truly lives up to its promise of smarter and faster cleaning. So, if you're in the market for a pressure washer, the Generac 2900 is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer, a powerful and versatile tool that promises to revolutionize your cleaning tasks. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about power. The K1700 operates at an impressive 1700 psi, with an initial max of 2125 psi of true pressure. This isn't just a number, it translates into the highest level of cleaning power, driven by a reliable universal motor. It's like having a professional cleaning service right in your backyard. Next up is versatility. The K1700 includes a quick connect steel wand with 3 spray nozzles. The 15 degrees nozzle is perfect for all-around cleaning, while the turbo nozzle gives superior results on tough-to-clean surfaces. And the 65 degrees nozzle, that's for detergent application. So whether you're cleaning your car or your patio, this washer has got you covered. Let's move on to the high-pressure hose. The K1700 is equipped with a 20 kink-resistant high-pressure hose. It also features a removable storage container for your hose and pressure washer accessories. Plus, it has an on/off foot switch for easy power control. No more wrestling with the hose or struggling to reach the power switch. Another great feature is the onboard detergent tank. It comes with a 0.5-gallon removable detergent tank for easy soap application. Plus, it's compatible with most universal 1/4 quick connect pressure washer accessories, so you can easily switch between different cleaning solutions to suit your needs. Finally, we have the Kärcher Promise. The K1700 is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and much more. It truly lives up to the Kärcher promise of being cleaner and quicker. It's not just a pressure washer, it's a comprehensive cleaning solution. So that's the Kärcher K1700 pressure washer for you. a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that takes the hassle out of cleaning. It's more than just a pressure washer, it's a game changer. Number 3. The SunJoe SPX 3000 XT1 Pressure Washer, a machine that promises extreme performance in every aspect. So, without further ado, let's get started. First on our list is the Extreme Triple Action Power. This feature is all about delivering a comprehensive cleaning experience. It foams, cleans, and rinses with a rated pressure of 1700 psi. The 20-foot hose length ensures you can reach every corner of your space. This washer is not just about cleaning, it's about winning the war against grime. Moving on to extreme rinsing. This feature is powered by a robust 13-amp motor. It guarantees a thorough rinse, leaving your surfaces not just clean, but spotless. It's like having a mini power wash station at your disposal. Next, we have the Extreme Foaming feature. The onboard 33.8 fluid ounces foam cannon aerates detergent and shoots it up to 15 feet. This feature gives your cleaning blast a significant boost, ensuring that no dirt or grime can stand in its way. Let's not forget about extreme cleaning. This washer comes with 4 quick connect nozzles offering a range of spray patterns. Whether you're dealing with heavy, medium, or light-duty jobs, this washer has got you covered. It's like having a personalized cleaning solution for every task. Last but not least, the TSS, Total Stop System, technology. This feature automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. It's not just about saving energy, it's about prolonging the life of your pump. It's a smart feature for a smart tool. So, there you have it, folks. That's the SunJoe SPX 3000 XT1 Pressure Washer for you. It's extreme in every sense of the word, offering power, versatility, and efficiency. If you're looking to take your cleaning game to the next level, this might just be the tool for you. Number 2. The SIMPSON 3400 Pressure Washer, a machine that's been gaining popularity for its impressive features and performance. First off, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the CRX 208T engine. This isn't your average engine. It's got a large recoil for easy starting, making it user-friendly right from the get-go. Plus, it's 50-state compliant, meaning it meets even the strictest emission standards. Moving on to the OEM Technologies Axial Cam Pump. What's great about this pump is that it's not only reliable, but also maintenance-free. It comes with thermal relief, a feature that prevents the pump from overheating. This pump isn't just built to perform, it's built to last. Next, we have the 5/16 X 25 feet high-pressure hose. This isn't your typical garden hose. It's non-marring, flexible, and abrasion-resistant, designed to withstand high pressure without any damage. Whether you're cleaning your driveway or washing your car, this hose has got you covered. Let's not forget about the steel frame construction. With a powder-coated finish, this frame is not only durable, but also resistant to corrosion. This pressure washer isn't just a one-time investment, it's a long-term addition to your cleaning arsenal. Finally, the 10 in premium pneumatic wheels. These wheels aren't just for show, they make maneuvering across various terrains a breeze. Whether you're moving it across your lawn or around your garage, these wheels make it easy. In conclusion, the SIMPSON 3400 Pressure Washer is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a powerful, reliable, and durable machine designed to handle your toughest cleaning tasks with ease. So, if you're in the market for a pressure washer, the SIMPSON 3400 is definitely worth considering. When choosing a pressure washer, prioritize features that meet your specific needs. Be sure to read reviews and compare features before making a purchase. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain product family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.